Hey my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world. And this is the last video in the Vlogtober installment. I can no longer do the recording, editing, and doing all that stuff on the same day. It's too much with my job, with the fact that I have other stuff that's going on in my life, and I don't always remember to pick up the camera to record, and it's just a lot going on. So this is going to be the last Vlogtober. I'm still filming, I'm still doing all of the things that I do. I'll just be bringing you the once a week videos like I've been doing with all of the good stuff. Thank you for rocking with me this far. Please enjoy the rest of this video. I love y'all, and I will catch you in the next one.
When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me.
I'm going to show y'all how to dice an egg with an egg slicer. Take your egg, put it in whichever direction you want. Then you cut it. See, it's already cut. Take it out. Open it back up. Turn it in the opposite direction of the way that you cut it. And you have diced egg. Okay. Put it in one way. Slice. Hold it. If you can, invest in a better egg slicer. This one keeps getting caught. Turn it in the opposite direction. And you have diced egg.
You deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do. Don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me. See you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up.
Yeah, I just had to quickly fix Jada's cord for her little job shadowing thing that she does, but it had ripped and fell off, so I figured we'd do it this way and she won't lose it.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm in love. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time. Gotta get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job. Tell me things like I can't hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're too out of line. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny.